Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So ngayon, iba naman yung gagawin natin. I'm gonna be unboxing the new Macbook Air with M1 chip. So, kakalabas lang ni Apple nito. Hindi pa siya actually nilalabas sa yung mga authorized resellers here. So, nabili namin to sa kung saan ko rin binili yung iPad Pro ko. To be honest, this is the first time that I'm using a Mac na laptop kasi for the longest time, whenever I use a laptop, Windows yung gamit ko. So, this is the first time that I'm using a Mac and this is a gift for myself this Christmas. So, yeah, and this is a first unboxing video for me. So, ang daming first. Let's try this. So, I got here a MacBook Air na 13-inch. So, when we went there, I checked na rin online kung ano yung model number para sure na M1 yung makukuha. So, the model number is A2337. That's for the MacBook Air. Kasi for MacBook Pro na M1 chip, A2338 siya. So, I got the space gray color kasi para match siya dun sa iPad Pro and then dun sa Apple Watch din na meron tayo. So I got the 256 na SSD with an 8 gig memory. So let's start by peeling this off. So, before kasi, nirequest ko talaga dun sa store na hindi ko sa store bubuksan yung Mac kasi parang nung binili ko yung iPad, dun namin inopen yung product. So, medyo hindi ako yung nag-open kaya parang gusto ko this time ako naman. This time ako naman. So, ito na siya. Oh my God. Wala pa yung in-order kong case, so medyo magiging maingat naman tayo. So, it's thin and somehow light naman. Nanibis niya mga besh. Okay, ang kasama po niya sa box ay here we have yung USB-C na cord. Then, some mga guide, user guide. Then, we also have yung sticker. Then, yeah, that's it. Then also yung power brick niya. Maliit lang siya compared dun sa, kasi my husband has yung MacBook Pro na power brick. It's bigger. Ito parang halos, parang kalaki niya yung ano ko before, yung sa iPad Air o iPad na maliit na power brick. Ganito din siya. So, ang liit niya. We'll test it later. Right. Now this is it. We're going to peel the plastic wrap for the Mac. Inuwi. Okay. Meron siyang dalawang port, USB-C, ko lang nakikita. Yan. And then, meron din yung jack niya for the headset. Yan. And then, other ports wala na. So, kailangan mo ng dongle if you have, if you need to use USB port for the Mac or mga HDMI, VGA, ganyan. So, kailangan mo nung so, let's set this up. So, I will not show you na how I'm gonna set up some parts. Pero, siguro from the time I opened. Then, since I'm not making a review naman about the laptop, so I just did some unboxing. So, that's it, guys! So that's it, guys. So doon sa mga nag-iisip na bumili ng MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, I suggest na you get na the one with the M1 chip. So pag-isipan yung mabuti, watch mga reviews like I did bago ako bumili. Kasi pinag-isipan ko rin the price versus the Intel na version or the M1 chip na version, and really a lot of people, almost everyone is recommending to get the M1. So I suggest na if you have the budget naman and if you can afford naman to get a Mac. So, kasi pang matagalan naman siya. So yun, that's it. So, thank you for watching this unboxing video. And if you have questions, just comment down below. I can share with you kung saan to binili, how much. Just ask and comment down below. And then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!